Tell me, you telling me Noisy Boy stepped on me? Breaker, breaker. I want to get this on the gate.
Oh, come on now, man. This is just a Bearcat 980 SSB with the 250 on the backside. And Noisy Boy, you got a copy on that?
Well, I know you stepped on the Monster Man, but I'm wondering about. Hold on, Monster Man. He's got a copy on you. Noisy Boy got a copy on you. I know he does. But hey, Channel Master, did he step on me? Break.
227 out of West Virginia. You're on me up 7238 Noisy Boy on a mobile.
All right, don't make me get out my big. Don't make me get out my big radio. Stepping on my 2-wire radio. Come on.
That Noisy Boy actually have a little mumble. Yeah, man, I can hear you, man. I can hear you loud.
Come on, key down. This is a key down showdown. Key down showdown. Get down. I got the gate rolling. I want to see who comes out on top. Breaker, breaker. Woo, I don't know. Man, I'm going to have to do a replay. I got it on the gate, but all I heard... All right, the game don't lie, but I couldn't hear nobody. All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Key down, showdown, get down, go.
You are big time. Put some power man back in my nose.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'm going to have to post his gate up there, but I don't know who come out on top, but I heard a lot of, everybody had it pumped up. I hope everybody had it pumped up, but everybody's coming in pretty even here. I did hear Channel Master said I got stepped on all the way from West Virginia, and he's only 2 houses down, so you're doing pretty good there, Noisy Boy. That's what old Channel Master said. Isn't that what you said, Channel Master, I got walked on?
Yeah, Noisy Boy still stepped on you. Big time.
Alright, congratulations, because he's only 2 doors down there, Noisy Boy, so that thing must be working. Alright, let's have it. I can't make out who's coming on top of everybody else here, so one more key down, and then I'll play the gate back, but, alright, it ain't fair. Channel Master, you're kind of blanking everybody out, so stand by, Channel Master, because, you're only 2 houses away. Alright, Channel Master, stand down. Alright, key down, get down, showdown. One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3. Key down, get down. Oh my. It was a mess there. I could hear Charlie Brown trying to get down, but everybody already on keys, so I don't know, man. I hope everybody's got pumped up, because everybody's about the same. There's a bunch of big radios out, and they're all just garbled all up, and nobody's cleaning my receiver up. So for that Channel Master kind of cleans it up, but he's right next door to me. But all right, this is a pump up. I'll give you one more time. Everybody pump up all the knobs to the right. and let's go. Come on, key down. Last time. I heard a mud duck is a mud duck at the end, but oh my, yeah, I don't think I can make anybody champion, nobody king, nobody cleaned up my receiver. I couldn't make up nothing out of that mess. It's like Channel 6 or something. What's that?
I can't drive that thing in the order.
Oh, no, well, you guys are just all equal, that's all. There's just a bunch of big radios, and it was just blanking out my receiver.
That guy across the river, he was blanking you up, and I couldn't hear you, but I heard him.
And that ain't even possible, but you did it. You did it, Noisy Boy. I hear you, Barefoot. You better let that thing cool down. Everybody's got their radios all smoking hot now.
This is radio, Barefoot.
That's sounding good, Barefoot. It's clear there. But yeah, you'll hear it on the gate. I think I got you on the gate. There's a, you can hear how clear it is. Quack, quack.
How about that cat?
Yeah, come on, bring it on back.
Yeah. Are you planning on posting that, with that gate on, YouTube?
Yeah, I put up Noisy Boy, yeah, you're from Buckeye. I put Buckeye, yeah, 'cause you're from the Buckeye. I put Noisy Boy Buckeye, how about that?
That works, man, for me.
Alright.
And if nobody out there can like the fact that I'm from the Buckeye, take a seat.
Ain't nothing but a bunch of nuts in the Buckeye. Yeah, but yeah, 'cause you'll be able to hear your radio, 'cause yeah, you don't. Most people don't get to hear what the radio sound like. You know what I mean?
We have to get these people to that.
What's that, Professor? Hey, Professor.
Clean up 1,500 watts and do it.
No, well, location. I'm in the middle, where I'm probably closer to Weirton. Yeah, I gotta be closer to Weirton than, you're farther away.
Yeah, I'm south. You're more north and Weirton's more north of Stimville.
Yeah, and I got a hill to get over to get to you, and to get to Weirton, it's pretty much a straight shot.
Sure, somebody's coming up. Sounds like a steamer's coming up. Nope, ain't me. Well, I'll put it like this. That box that I'm running is a Gold Eagle 250. Running 455.
Yeah, but it's hot now, right?
No, she ain't even warm.
Oh, that's good.